No.
Oh, it's not scary.
How cool is this?
Very
Green fire, regular color fire, blue and orange, and this green color.
And this is green. Hey guys.
Hey guys, how are you today?
Fine.
Today's experiment is a very cool one. Okay, green fire.
What?
Green, Anna Maria.
Green?
Did you ever see a green fire?
No.
Where? Huh?
Yeah.
Where? Green. Okay. Now today.
We can put ethanol in this one. Okay? And we're gonna remove the ethanol. And here, I have prepared for you a solution of boric acid with ethanol. Can you see? Okay? Now, which color is going to be the ethanol? In your opinion? No, the ethanol, only ethanol. Right one. Okay, now, which color is this one? Which color is this one? Okay, okay.
But first, safety first. Okay, we have with us as well fire extinguisher. Okay, because we're gonna do this experiment with the fire.
Yes.
And what is this? Fire blanket.
Yes.
Okay? Yeah, are you ready? Turn off the lights, mommy. Yes, green. Can you see the green one?
Yes.
How cool is this?
Very good.
Subscribe to our channel.
Yes. Like this one.
Yeah, how is we gonna turn off this off? We need to cut the oxygen.
Wait.
Okay? We turn them off?
No.
No, it's cool.
Yeah. When is
Green fire, can you see? Is it clear?
Yeah. Is the fire going to stop? No, it's.
No, when the ethanol finishes, the fire will stop. Yeah, we're gonna cut the oxygen.
This is
And-
very cool.
Yes, green one.
And that one is green. One
Yeah. Now, when we remove these, the fire is gone because the oxygen is cut off. Okay?
Yeah.
Yalla. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.